Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. As I have already discussed this HLBC portal, uh, Houselisting Block Creator Portal basically, which is a web app application where we used to carve the HLB, right? So I will do some more examples because I have received a request of demarcating some more HLBs and show the hands-on, so I'll be doing it again. So these are some of the tools that we'll be using. Icon like HLB Geo-Tagging, HLB Demarcation, Add Data, and HLB Overlap Handler, right? So again we will first do the same process. We will be doing HLB Geo-Tagging, right? After that we will let's say any village, I will Sonapur, and then we will put it here, right? We have geotagged it and we will give its name some Basmutari landmark, and we will change the status from in progress to complete, and we will save it. Once it is saved, it has the function has already moved to the HLB demarcation. Now I need to demarcate it, right? So I will start demarcation from here. In this way I will do the demarcation, and after that let's say I will again explain the reshape options. Let's say I have saved it in progress. Okay, now in progress, demarcation, in progress, Sonapur. Let's say I need to involve this area also to this HLB. In that case I will use the reshape option, and then from inside I will drag it, clicking one, and then from inside I will drag it, and I will do like this. Any boundary that we want to include, I will do like this. See, the impression shows that these areas will be included into this HLB, right? So after that, once we will save it, you can see this area has been included. Okay, similarly we may want the HLB to reduce, may want HLB to reduce its size, right? In that case what we will do, we'll again go to the reshape option, and then we will start from the outside, right? We don't want this part. Okay, after that this part will be removed and the remaining HLB will be in this area, right? So once I will save it, so this is basically the function of HLBC creator. You can create the HLBs, and after that if we want to complete it, then we will go to this and mark it complete. As we know, once we will complete the HLB complete means in progress to complete status. After doing the HLB as complete only, then only we can allocate the HLB to an enumerator, or else we cannot allocate that HLB to any enumerator. So we need to complete the HLB demarcation. After that only we can allocate the same HLB to any enumerators. So these are some of the functionalities, like if you want to change the view, then we can apply it, right? Or these are the layers. Okay, these are layers if we want to, but these are default, is their default layers, we should not list up. And this is the completed. While it is completed, then we will see that the green color inside the HLB. If it is in progress, then it will be in red color, and if it is modified, then also it is green, and if to be demarcated, then it will be somewhat like purple, right? So these are some of the legends which are given, right? this is not required, and this is northeast compass. So this will be my video on one. Okay, now let me create another one more HLB. So this one. Okay, let me put it here. Test landmark, and now I will complete it. Once it is completed, now we will create the HLB. Okay, it's created, and then we will change it to completed, then we will update it. Okay, after complete also, let's say after complete we we got to know that we have made wrongly, we have completed it. After that also we can resize it. Let's say here the status is completed, but still we want to change it. Then we can go to this, let's say Sonapur. So this is the Sonapur. Let's say this is the HLB, and after complete also we need to change it, right? Then we'll go to the reshape, and let's say we want to reduce the size of this HLB. So we need to come from outside. Once you can see that impression that the size will be reduced from this size to this size, right? Once we save it, is completed and the size got reduced. It means after completion also we can reduce the size, but in that case the status will not be status will be updated, status will be modified. Got it? Means first it will be in this stage to be demarcated. After that, from to be demarcated, once we demarcate it for the first time and then we change the status to in progress, then it will be in progress mode. After that, from in progress, when the demarcation is finalized, then we can move it to the completed state. After completed also, if we change the size, then it will be under modified, right? So this is basically just the concepts of HLBC. Hope you like this video, and more such videos will be coming in this channel. Please hit and like and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.